Hey guys, this is Wyatt with Random Airsoft. I'm going to bring you a quick unboxing today. I just got this in the mail from my dad. I've opened this before, but it is new to my airsoft collection, so let's open it up. You can see, this is the Mauser SR Pro. I got all the personal information here, and my camera can't focus. So yeah, let's open this up. This costed $200 from Precision Airsoft. They're based in Spokane. Yeah, most of their business is worked offline, but since I was up there, we got it from straight from their store. I have shot this already. It's a really good gun, I think. Yeah, let's unbox this. There's staples in this? No, it's not open. I forgot one. Okay. There. There we go. Oh, more tape. How much did they put on this? Hey. Okay. Almost there. Oh my gosh. There's Jesus amount of tape. Sorry, I did not know all this is going to be on here. Trying to go past the screen. Got it. Okay, so this is basically how the gun looked when I got it. Okay, so you got a cheap bag, probably about 20 grams, probably about 50. Wouldn't suggest you use them. You have your Allen keys to disassemble this gun, and a screwdriver. Your scope. It comes with a scope and scope mounts. Bipod attachment to them, just put it into the end of the gun. And then bipod. Okay, quality bipod. Full metals. Bipod. This side seems to be stuck. That's great. Nope, can't get it. Okay, 25 round bag, full metal. And the gun itself. Barrel's pretty hard to get out of here. Yep. So this whole part is metal. This is the barrel and upper receiver and your trigger and gearbox right in there. Put this back in the box so it can break. The lower receiver right here. This is completely constructed of plastic except for the internals. If there's some metal there for where the mag is. The metal retractable stuff. Pretty nice. Aluminum. Right here you have another Allen key. Raises the shape pad. I like mine right down here. Yeah, this is the unboxing. I'll have the review in a minute when I get this assembled. So this has been Wyatt's Random Airsoft. Hope you enjoyed the video.